Welcome to Extra Life 2024, a charity program that brings thousands of gamers together to help raise funds for the Children Miracle Network hospitals.
For those of you that don't know, Matthew and I have been participating in Extra Life since 2016, where we do a 24-hour charity live stream to help raise money for the Edmonton Stollery Children's Hospital.
We started doing this as a way of supporting our mom, who was going through breast cancer at the time, and since then has been able to fully recover.
We're extremely thankful, and we want to continue this tradition as it helps provide relief to thousands of families that rely on medical treatment and contributes to the dedicated work of cancer research.
To date, you've helped us raise over 10,000 Canadian dollars, which is an insane achievement that I didn't know that we were ever going to achieve. So thank you so much. We're very grateful for your support.
Thank you.
Thank you.
On November 9th, you can catch our stream at twitch.tv/MattyDude96. We'll be there for 24 hours, so make sure to come say hi.
I almost read it. If you're interested in making a donation, you can check out our Extra Life page under Matthew and John. There should be a link in the description.
Yeah. Whichever direction the description is on whatever page you're watching on. You're smart, you'll figure it out.
You got it.
Thank you all for watching. We look forward to seeing you all on November 9th.
Thank you so much. Have a good one, everyone.
Go yourself, San Diego.